What's up, everybody? So I want to do a unboxing of this drive shaft that I got for my 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I got it from a guy named Danco on Facebook. I think it's Danco Driveshafts. He rebuilds them and does a really good job. So I wanted to do an unboxing and show you how they come. I got a really good deal. I'll give you the price and everything. So here we go. So comes really nicely packaged. Check that out. So this also came with the yokes necessary because I have a double Rezepa style drive shaft. So it came with the yokes, the hardware, and everything. So let me get these out of the box and I'll unwrap them and we'll check it out. Let's check out these yokes first. All right. Check that out. It's pretty cool. And in here, we got the hardware, the straps. That's really nice. And that's a original Spicer. All right, next, the other yoke, which I believe this one's for my transfer case. That's pretty neat. Let's check out the splines. They all look good. That's another original part. Oh, yep, I was right. So it's Danco drive shafts. That's pretty neat. Let's see what else we got in the box here. Yep, just more hardware with the Loctite on it. That's pretty cool. Awesome. All right, now the part we've been waiting for. This is the shaft, new greasable U-joints. He did ask me if I wanted greasable or non-greasable, and you know, of course I want the greasable so I can take care of it and make it last a long time. But let's get a closer look here. He even marked it. Wow, check that out. It's pretty badass. So that'll be like the needle greaser. Heck yeah, look at that. Balanced and everything. New boot. Works beautifully. And then the end is taped so she doesn't, so the end caps don't fall off. But I'd say, heck yeah, this sucker looks nice, and I'm sure it'll fit great on my Jeep. I ended up getting this, everything, for $260 shipped. He was in Maryland, I live in Maine, so you know, East Coast obviously is going to be cheaper. So if you live out in, you know, on the West Coast or in Mid-America, it'll probably be a bit more, but you can't really beat that. I mean, the cheap ones from China cost like 200 something, and then, you know, I got the yokes. I mean, it's an amazing deal, so you can't really beat it. I would highly suggest it. I don't know how big of an operation he has or what, but you can message him on Facebook and see what he can do for you. But he was really friendly, and you know, he responded quickly. I got this thing in like 2 or 3 days, which is amazing. So yep. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, you're welcome to reach out. But heck yeah, I'll see you in the next one.